All right, so it is about time for you guys to start thinking about and figuring out what you're going to do for your final exam. You have two options for your final exam. You can either take your Servsafe test and get a certificate, which is good anywhere you go, or you can simply take the online in-course proctored exam, which is proctored by Proctorio. So I wanted to walk through your Servsafe options because you actually have two options for what you're going to do for Servsafe. So I want to walk through real quickly on their website what you would do if you're going to be taking the Servsafe exam. Actually, you have three options. So Servsafe, you're going to go here to the Servsafe Manager tab. Once you're there, you're going to go Buy Products. Once you're on this Buy Products page, you're going to go Manager Online Training and Certification Exams. Once you're on this page, you're going to come find all these options as to what you can do. So the options you have for your test, the first one I'll talk about, is taking the exam on campus at BYU Idaho with a live proctor. If that's what you're going to do, you need to purchase this right here, this Servsafe Manager Certification Online Exam Voucher. So that you'll go to the testing center, not the testing center on campus, you'll go to the location of where the test is going to be. You will take your voucher, your laptop, and you'll log on there, and then you'll have a proctor there on site that will proctor the exam. If you want to take the Servsafe exam somewhere else, you can. You'll also need to purchase this online exam voucher. Make sure you take the online test, though. Even if you're going to do a live proctor, do not do a paper test because we won't get the scores back in time. So you need to do the Servsafe online exam. You would have to find if you can't go to the campus, you have to find your own proctor and go to that site and get it proctored and take the test. If you cannot do either one of those and find a live proctor, or you can't make it to the BYU Idaho campus to do it, you can do the Servsafe Manager online exam proctoring. This is an additional $63. So you would need to purchase the Servsafe certification online exam voucher, and then you would need to come over and purchase the Servsafe Manager online exam proctoring. With those, you can take the Servsafe test online with a virtual proctor, and that will get you your certificate. So there's what you need to do if you're going to take the Servsafe exam. Now, if you don't want to take the Servsafe exam, that's fine. You can take the online final that is in the course, and it's where you find all your other coursework, and take that final. You will not get a certificate, but it does satisfy the requirements for the class. So I will have in this same announcement where you're watching this video, I will include these links to this page. I will also include a link to a Google Doc where you can sign up for the BYU Idaho the BYU Idaho live proctored Servsafe exam. If you guys have any questions, let me know. And good luck on the test. You guys will do great.